commercial. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
are
too.
the owner of Electricals 24/7.
Yes.
Yes.
Electricals 24/7.
Electricals 24/7. So, what have you got here to show us?
So this is a new product which we're selling by a brand called Quickstrip. They do LED tape, which is quite a popular product now. It's getting more and more popular. And the tape we do now it's a dotless tape, so you don't see the spots. But more importantly, and more revolutionary, is the connectors they do. So the Quickstrip connectors, they do an L-shaped connector, which all you need to do is slot your tape. Oops, sorry. So slot your tape in one end.
So there's no soldering involved whatsoever.
No soldering involved. Hold on. Sorry, it's a bit fiddly. But
It's alright. Things like this always happen on camera.
yeah, it's just because it's on camera.
Yes. Yeah.
So you slot that in that way. Then you slot your other bit in this
It's
way.
very simple.
Yeah.
Really simple.
So you've got your 90 degrees. Clip them shut. And you essentially then have a 90-degree bend without any soldering. And this bend fits within your profile, within the channel in which it runs.
That's a really good idea.
So, as well as the 90-degree bend, this comes in a tails. So one end is strip and the other end is tails.
Yeah.
And also it comes as a strip-to-strip connector.
Even better.
So you can join two lengths of strip like this.
As you've done now, so you've obviously got the warm white and the.
And the beauty is you don't see any gaps.
No, it's no hot or cold spots, is there?
It's all seamless. And same again in the corner. There's no gaps. And it's simple. It's just simple.
That's the main thing. It's quick and it's simple, isn't it?
Quick and simple. You're saving time on the job, and we are selling the tape in up to 50-meter rolls. So as an electrician, you're just cutting it to length.
Yeah.
You're reducing your wastage, saving time, saving money.
Does it matter where you? Has it got specific cut points on the tape? Or
No.
no.
So on these connectors, you can cut it anywhere.
Fantastic.
I say anywhere, but you've got to kind of miss the resistors.
Yeah.
On the strip. So
But you've got a lot closer. You haven't got to leave it 6 inches before you can do a cut.
No. So if you see, most strip, and you might not catch this on camera, you've got the copper cut points here.
Okay. Yeah.
But if you look here, we've actually not connected it on the cut point. The cut point is here. The other one is there. So on this cob strip, it doesn't really matter.
That's really good.
So that's the product. We're at Elex here at Ali Pali, and every Sparky I've spoken to has said this
is a really good idea. What's it retailing for?
We're selling it at the show, a pack of 10 for 24 quid, including that.
Really good.
So 2 quid a pop. 2 quid a pop.
So that's such a great time-saving item, though, and so easy to use.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
All the best.
Cheers.
Cheers.